Because hope is not a paycheck. And eventually every technician reaches a point where they're tired of betting their family's future on somebody else's ability to sell work. And when that day comes, make sure you got somewhere else to fucking go. Because the aliens are coming, dude. They're going to come in there. They're going to take your jobs. Take your jobs. And they're going to fucking pay them a quarter of what you make. And all your knowledge that they stole from you, the manufacturers, not the dealerships. Dealerships aren't stealing your knowledge. They just want you to train these new fucking aliens for free. The manufacturers making you take all these pictures, videos, step-by-step procedures so they can fucking scan it, turn it into an app, and fucking give it to these fucking aliens, dude, to do your job. Take your job! So they can make more fucking numbers. And that's it.